Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how to become a data analyst, or we can call what are the skills required to become a data analyst. Okay, and also I will discuss in the same video the roles and responsibilities of data analyst. Okay, first let me tell you who is data analyst. A data analyst takes data and uses it to help companies make better business decisions. He gets the information about specific topics and then interprets, analyzes, and presents findings in comprehensive reports. The main goal of a data analyst is to solve issues that cost the company money and to help make decisions for expanding the business. We can simply say that a data analyst are responsible for collecting, manipulating, and analyzing data. Data analysts use systematic techniques, standard formulas, and methods to analyze the relevant information. Then they will prepare reports detailing the results from the analysis. Data analyst must be strong in statistics such as variations and averages for a particular product over a certain time period. Now let us talk about what are the responsibility of data analyst. The data analyst responsibility is to identify new sources of data and methods to improve data collection, analysis, and reporting. And he should collect, analyze, and report data to meet business needs. He also has responsibility to report data in a comprehensive and repeatable way. And he is also responsibility to determine technical issues with collecting and analyzing data and design reports. Now let us talk about what are the skills needed to become a data analyst. Coming to the technical skills, there are many technical skills and computer programs that a data analyst must have in order to be proficient. So a few of these include the technical skills are like R programming, Python, SQL, XML, JavaScript, SAS, Hadoop, and other machine learning programs. The next skills are math skills. Data analyst requires mathematics skills to process numerical data. The next skills are like critical thinking. Data analyst must look at the numbers, trends, and data in order to formulate conclusions. And he also have good communication skills for their finding and translate the data into understandable documents or reports. They need to write and speak clearly and be able to communicate complex ideas into easily understood terms. He should also having good attention to detail skills because data is precise. Data analysts have to make sure they are attentive in their analysis to come to correct conclusions. And you should also having analytical skills. Data analysts work with a large amount of data, including facts, figures, and number analysis. They need to be see through the data and analyze it to find conclusions. So these are the major skills to become a data analyst. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So thank you for watching.